Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Hey, busy as usual. We're trying our best to get each and every engine ran in a timely period. But again, we are busy and we stay busy all the time. We love challenges. Anything you want us to build, we'll be happy to build them for you. Hey, what'd you think of my race car up in the air with them tires? Badass, wasn't it? Well, this happens to be going to a 1964 Mustang. This is one of our little 347s, 450 horsepower. That'll be fantastic power for that car. This one's got a CVS kit on it. It's got our nice dual sump oil pan on it. It's got our Holley distributor from MSD. Got the Holley fuel injection on it. Beautiful, beautiful motor. Again, anything we can help you with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. Okay, Glenn, I got your 1964 Ford Mustang engine here on the dyno. Happens to be our 347. Gonna fire it up, give you a run demo.